So, James, we were talking over lunch. You mentioned that the Southlake market is a little bit different post-recession, so after the financial crisis, pre, post, and then what it is now. So tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure. So during the recession, any homes in our market that were priced at over $1 million would be on the market for about 6 months, potentially 9 months.
Wow.
So you have plenty of time to do all your research, get your loans together, loan documents together, and really do the research on the property. Today, there are 21 homes on the market in Southlake here at the end of February, and there's only 2 of those that are under $1 million. So the other 19 homes are $1 million or more. The most expensive home we have in the market right now is at $11 million in Southlake. That's sitting on a fairly large piece of land. I think it's about 5 acres, but it's a really fairly large home. And so that is really the top end of the market. But those homes are moving quickly. Most of those 21 homes will probably be gone within a week or two, even though they're over $1 million. Definitely the 2 that are under $1 million will be gone this weekend, more than likely. And so we're really in a much different market than we were, during the recession. I know that's been, many years ago, 10, 12 years ago, but it's quite a dramatic difference where, if you were going to list a home over $1 million, it would be on the market for quite some time. Now it'll move fairly quickly.
Yeah, it reminds me kind of like where my wife Karen and I, where we came from in California, right? And actually, Southlake, that was the first transaction that I did. It was for $2.5 million in Westlake. And I remember, before moving, everyone was like, oh, you're going to move to Texas, your loan sizes are going to go down, and, they don't have properties over $500,000. Well, guess what? They have a lot of them. That's for sure.